Next up, we've actually got a listener question. This one's been sent in from Cairns in Queensland from Ryan. Are you guys ready for hit play?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, hi guys. Love the podcast. My question is around investing in gold and silver. So at the moment, we're just doing up an investment property that we plan on renting out soon once it's finished. But I just wanted a way of putting some of the savings towards something else other than just all into the property. And I've been saving a little bit of gold and silver and wanting to spend a bit more money in that area. Do you think it's a wise investment, or should I be looking at maybe spending a little bit of money on shares instead? Or yeah, what are your thoughts?
Bryce, do you want to answer this one, or do you want me to take it?
Take it away, Ren.
I don't have a problem investing in gold. I mean, I own some gold in my portfolio, but this is just my personal opinion. Obviously, we can't give advice, but this is just me answering it personally. Is the opportunity in the stock market is sort of unparalleled. With gold. The gold price has done well recently with all the economic uncertainty, but there's an open question about what's sort of going to come next. But with gold, if it's a good hedge against inflation, if the value of your cash goes down because it's inflated away, gold is a good asset class to be in. But over the long term, it doesn't have that that really productive quality that stocks do. What I was talking about before with that investment in Amazon, where you're buying a company that is going out year after year and reinvesting their profits in a business to become more profitable and more productive. It's just the opportunity set is just different. So I think if you're looking to diversify away from property, there's nothing wrong with holding gold or silver, but I wouldn't want to be all in on that. I think the next step is probably to look at maybe some index funds, an ASX 200 index fund, which holds the 200 biggest stocks in Australia, maybe an S&P 500 index fund that holds the biggest 500 companies in the US. Just to, again, diversify your exposure. You don't want to go all in on gold and then, have a bad macroeconomic circumstances and, mean that all of your gold holdings go down.
Yeah, okay. And Bryce, you'd echo that statement, you reckon? Or something different?
No, I would echo that statement. I think, if you're looking at something long term, gold is usually a defensive sort of play. So, I mean, if you are worried about the short term volatility, then it's something that it might work. But I'm with Ren. If it's a long term mindset and you can afford to compounding do its thing and let the businesses reinvest that capital over and over again, then I would be diversifying into shares as well, for sure.
If you want to listen to the rest of that interview, simply subscribe to the Pizza and Property Podcast on Google Play, iTunes, or Spotify, anywhere you can find us, and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel below and have an amazing week.